Welcome to Financial Freedom Hub. There are 25 questions about finance knowledge quiz. Here is the Trivia Quiz Guide 1. Track the number of correct answers. 2. Check your achievement at the end of the video. 3. Drop your scores in the comments. You have 5 seconds to answer each question before starting. Click on subscribe for more fun. Let's get started. Which investment carries the highest risk? A. Savings account. B. Certificate of deposit. C. Stocks. D. Bonds. The correct answer is C. Stocks. Question 2. What is the purpose of a retirement account? A. Save for vacation. B. Have emergency fund. C. Retirement income. D. Pay off student loans. The correct answer is retirement income. Question 3. What is the term for borrowing money to buy a home? A. Mortgage loan. B. Personal loan. C. Credit card loan. D. Auto loan. The correct answer is A. Mortgage loan. Question 4. What is the measure of outstanding debts relative to income? A. Debt to income ratio. B. Credit score. C. Loan to value ratio. D. Payment history. The correct answer is A. Debt to income ratio. Question 5. What is the first step in creating a financial plan? A. Invest all savings. B. Spend impulsively. C. Ignore finances. D. Set financial goals. The correct answer is D. Set financial goals. Question 6. What is compound interest in saving and investing? A. Earning on earnings. B. Borrowing from banks. C. Monthly fees. D. Loan interest. The correct answer is A. Earning on earnings. Question 7. What does ROI stand for in finance? A. Return on investment. B. Risk of income. C. Risk of inflation. D. Rate of interest. The correct answer is A. Return on investment. Question 8. Which type of investment typically has the highest liquidity? A. Retirement accounts. B. Real estate. C. Stocks. D. Savings account. The correct answer is D. Savings account. Question 9. What is a common strategy for paying off credit card debt? A. Snowball method. B. Keep borrowing. C. Hide statements. D. Avoid payments. The correct answer is A. Snowball method. Question 10. How do contributions to a retirement account affect taxes? A. Tax-free. B. Tax-derived. C. Tax-deferred. D. A tax credit. The correct answer is C. Tax-deferred. Question 11. What is the main advantage of a 15-year mortgage over a 30-year mortgage? A. Lower total interest. B. Higher payments. C. Lower payments. D. Lower credit score. The correct answer is A. Lower total interest. Question 12. What is the key benefit of a tax-free account? A. Tax-free contribution. B. Taxed growth. C. tax-free withdrawals, D, no contribution limits. The correct answer is C, tax-free withdrawals. Question 13. What is an index fund? A, individual stocks. B, tracks a market index. C, offers fixed returns. D, bear market. The correct answer is B, tracks a market index. Question 14. What is a budget? A, savings. B, credit. C, investing. D, a plan. The correct answer is D, a plan. Question 15. What is the purpose of interest? A, earn. B, borrow. C, spend. D, save. The correct answer is A, earn. Question 16. What is an emergency fund for? A, vacation. B, emergencies. C, bills. D, investment. The correct answer is B, emergencies. Question 17. What is APR related to loans? A, annual cost. B, average rate. C, payment. D, borrow. The correct answer is A, annual cost. Question 18. What is a credit score used to assess? A, credit worthiness. B, height. C, IQ. D, expenses. The correct answer is A, credit worthiness. Question 19. What is the primary purpose of insurance? A, invest in stocks. B, increase wealth. C, go famous. D, reduce risk. The correct answer is D, reduce risk. Question 20. What is the minimum recommended emergency fund size? A, 1 to 2 months. B, 1 to 2 years. C, 3 to 6 months. D, 1 to 2 weeks. The correct answer is C, 3 to 6 months. Question 21. What is a stock? A, company ownership. B, bond. C, bank account. D, real estate. The correct answer is A, company ownership. Question 22. What is a mutual fund? A, mortgage loan. B, retirement plan. C, savings account. D, investment pool. The correct answer is D, investment pool. Question 23. What is the primary purpose of a will? A, create debt. B, distribute assets. C, start a business. D, buy a house. The correct answer is B, distribute assets. Question 24. What is the rule of 72 used for? A, manage expenses. B, calculate taxes. C, predict returns. D, assess credit. The The correct answer is C, predict returns. Question 25. What is a credit report? A, credit history record. B, subscription list. C, bank statement. D, monthly budget. The correct answer is A, credit history record. How many correct answers did you get? 0 to 6, great effort, you're making progress. 7 to 12, well done, you clearly know your stuff. 13 to 19, impressive, you are a true star. 20 to 25, excellent work, you're a genius. Thanks for participating. Drop your score in the comment section, like, share, and subscribe for more.